When I work with clients 60 years of age or older, I really stress to them the importance of functional strength. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Ed DeBoo, physical therapist out of Integrated Physical Therapy in Bellingham, Washington. And by functional strength training, I mean not so much doing curls, which is important, but we're isolating a muscle. I'm more so interested in is, can you carry a bag of groceries up some stairs? Can you carry a laundry basket from point A to point B? Can you go up and down stairs? Can you get up and down off the floor if you need to? So functional tests are great because oftentimes they have a combination of strength, endurance, balance, maybe even coordination. In this video, we're going to talk about a really simple sit-stand test that you're going to do. It's going to be timed for 30 seconds. So all you need is some sort of timer for 30 seconds and a chair. And we'll do as many sit-stands as we can in 30 seconds, and we're just going to keep track of that. And then we'll base your score and we'll compare it to normative values to see what the average person your age was able to do. All right, let's get started. The setup for this test is easy. All you need is a chair. Make sure it's a standard height chair, not too low, not too high. Fold your arms across your chest, and you're going to stand up and back down again. You're going to have someone set the timer. You're going to look at your watch for 30 seconds, and when we say go, you're going to stand up and sit down as fast as you can, all the way down and all the way up for 30 seconds, and just keep track of how many you can do. If you manage to get 8 repetitions or less in the 30 seconds, you are in the red danger zone. What that means is that you really have to work hard on maintaining your strength and flexibility, especially as you continue to get older, because at this point, you may be at a risk of falls or losing some serious functional ability, especially as you get older. Now we're looking at some normative data, and we'll do men first. And so this is the normal range defined as 50% of the population. So when they tested thousands of seniors, for example, 60 to age 64, 50% of them on average got between 14 and 19 repetitions of sit to stand. So based upon where your age is, you would look down to see what the particular score was. For example, if you're 85 to 90, 50% of 85 to 90-year-olds got between 8 and 14 repetitions. So for example, a 75-year-old male who does 10 reps, his score would be below average for other 75-year-old men. In that situation, he would need to get stronger. Now we jump over to the women's side, and same type of concept. So the normal range is once again defined as 50% of the tested population. You either score above, below, or average for your age. So for example, a 60-year-old female who does 25 reps, her score would be above average for other 60-year-old females. Nicely done. So now what do we do with this information? We have to have an action plan based upon that. If I score really high and I'm above average, that's great. More than likely you're staying active and you're exercising, keep doing it. Maybe you're right around that average, or maybe you're a little bit below average for your age. What do I do with that information? Well, I'm going to put some links up above here that'll talk about specific exercise programs. One exercise program is for someone who, for example, has pain with squatting and doesn't want to do a lot of squats. I got to tell you this though. Really try to maintain that ability to sit stand, because you think about how many times we do that in our regular life. If I can't kneel or if I can't lunge, that's not nearly as limiting functionally as if I have trouble getting up out of a chair, especially if it's a little bit low. And the other one's going to be a little bit higher exercise program that involves some squats, and it's just part of the regular exercise routine. Either way, all of us should be working on an exercise program 3 times per week. It's important as we age that we continue to stay strong and functional and independent for as long as we can. Elizabeth and I are currently working on a whole separate website called Live Well 50, and it's dedicated to those 50 and older who want to successfully age. Elizabeth and I are both 52 and are committed to aging as well as we possibly can. If you want to join us on this journey, I'll put a link down below to Live Well 50. Make sure you sign up, and when we're ready to launch, we'll send you out an email, and you can decide whether or not you want to join our community. All right, if you have any questions, please leave it down below. If you found the video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, and turn on your notification so that you never miss another video. Thank you very much, and good luck.